press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hey yo, what's up people, this is Ajish Nair and you're watching The Real Men Show. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share a secret with you guys to fasten your hair growth using a simple home ingredient. This technique I have been using from past 1 month and trust me, it's really effective. In this video I will tell you how to make it and how to use it. Even after watching the video, if you have any doubts about it, you can DM us on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is @TheRealMenShow. So without wasting any further more time, let's get straight into the video. The things you need to make this are 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water and a bowl. Put 1 cup of rice in a bowl. Put 2 cups of water and stir it well. Leave it for 3 hours.
3 hours later.
Rice water contains selenium, magnesium, folic acid, vitamin B, vitamin K and many more which are very beneficial for your hair. You have to do this remedy twice a week and you can see the noticeable difference in 1 month. So this was it guys. If you like this video, please drop a like button and share this video with your friends. मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे next video में, तब तक के लिए take care, नमस्ते.